Hello everyone, in front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. First of all, open the settings, then find and select additional settings, scroll to the bottom of the list and mark Backup and Reset. Click on Google account. If it's added, just mark it here, and if you do not have your account yet, you will have to provide your email address or phone number along with the password. So once you are in this backup panel, just mark data that you want to backup. So I want to mark everything: photos and videos and other device data like contacts, call history, device settings, apps and data, and messages. Tap on confirm. Click on manage backup. And that's it. As you can see, backup by Google One is active. Your device backs up data automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. However, if you want to do it right now, just mark backup now. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.